If you're burnt out from 12-hour shifts, feeling stuck in a job that looks good on paper but drains your soul, keep watching. If we haven't met before, I'm Amina Sadiq, founder of the Brow and Lash Studio, creator of the Blade and Shade Technique, and I've mentored over 2,000 students around the world to start and grow their brow business through my brow classes. Like Aylin, who's a permanent brow artist in Puerto Rico, I told her she needed to raise her prices. And even though she was hesitant and didn't believe anyone would book her if she did, by the end of class, she had gained the skills and confidence not only to raise her price, but double it. She's now on her way to building a 7-figure business.
Hi, my name is Adriani Lopez. I am a PMU artist with 7 years of experience. I'm from Puerto Rico, and I want to talk about my experience on Amina's training. I flew from Puerto Rico to Chicago, and I have to say it was an amazing experience. We did like a type of competition, and I won the massage bet, and I had to fly back to Puerto Rico with it, and it was really fun. I have to say that having this conversation with her was, for me, unforgettable, because when she saw my job, she said, you need to get up your prices, you need to start charging more. And I was so scared. And then since that conversation, I came to Puerto Rico like really empowered, because seeing someone like her with her experience but also with her fame, let's say that, that she knows so many other artists, and like for her telling me that I did great jobs and that I need to charge more, it empowered me. So I went back, I charged double my prices. And since then, like, my business went to a whole new level. I right now have a 6-figure business, and hopefully this year I will hit the 7 figures. And really, it's nice to have somebody believe in you, empower you, and tell you that your job, what you're doing, the art is worth that and even more. So Amina, thank you so much for that day that really changed my way of seeing my job, what I do, and definitely my life.
I know deciding on a new path can seem overwhelming and scary, so I want to simplify it for you because I was overwhelmed and scared too. I struggled for 6 months after taking my first brow course. 0 clients, no bookings, just mounting doubt and debt. But once I mastered this signature technique and paired it with the right business strategies, everything changed. My first year as a beauty entrepreneur, I made almost $200,000. From that point, I started sharing what I knew with others. And now I offer in-person and online classes to burnt-out nurses, corporate professionals, and women and men from all walks of life to help them build profitable brow businesses without any prior experience, without the guesswork, and without wasting time and money. Many hitting $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 months after learning my proven system. So let's talk about what most trainings get wrong. They only teach technique and leave you to figure out the rest on your own. They don't show you how to actually get clients, price your services, or build real confidence in your work. They often leave you lost, confused, and lacking confidence to even get started. That's exactly why I created the Blade and Shade Mastery Bootcamp. It's not just about learning brows, it's a career launching program that teaches you the most in-demand brow technique while providing guidance, mentorship, and business coaching to show you how to turn it into a lucrative business. If you've taken a class before but it left you feeling defeated and like you wasted your money and time, or you're ready to escape burnout from your current job, I'd love to help. I hear all the time from my students how I help them change their lives. They now have money and freedom to travel and experience things they only once imagined. Many of my students have replaced their jobs within 6 months of getting trained. And if you're wondering what you can actually make doing brows, let me show you this real quick. Just 3 clients a week at $500 per appointment, that's $6,000 a month. 5 clients per week at $600 each, that's over $12,000 a month. Some of my students are making $750 plus per client and making over $144,000 a year, part-time. This is why so many of my students walk away from their 9-to-5s within just months. That's the power of premium beauty services. When you learn the right technique and how to price, position, and market your services, You can build a business that changes your entire life. When I first started, I was charging $250 per client and still struggling to book. But once I mastered the right technique and learned how to market my services and built real confidence in my work, everything changed. Today, I charge $2,200 per client. I only take one client a day, sometimes two, and 90% of my clients fly to me from across the country. That means I'm making over $1,000 an hour doing work I love on my own schedule. I'm not saying this to flex, I'm saying it because this is possible for you too. You don't need to see 10 clients a day to earn 6 figures. You just need the right skill, a smart strategy, and a mentor who's done it before. On average, brow artists charge $450 to $750 per client. But remember, that's just the average. Inside the bootcamp, you'll gain the confidence, the skill set, and the strategy to charge what you know your work is worth. I'm able to take a limited number of students per class because I actually mentor you. Whether you choose the online program or the 2-day in-person experience, if we're a good fit, I'd love to be your mentor. So if you're a nurse, corporate professional, or a 9-to-5er ready to break free from burnout and build a beauty business that can change your life, tap the button below and apply now. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be in control of your time, your income, and your freedom.